Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with a work from home opportunity. I want to say this is going to be outside of the normal corporate work from home jobs that I normally share, but on this channel I'm always trying to mix it up, share a little bit of something for everyone, and I thought this was a fun little way to make some extra money for somebody, so I thought that I would share it. Now please note that the job application for this is closing today, September 25th at 11:59 p.m. So if you're interested in this, please get that application in ASAP. If you're seeing this video after that, they probably closed the deadline. But if you're like me and you enjoy sometimes having some downtime, eating some yummy snacks, and binge watching some TV shows, this might be the opportunity for you. The links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you enjoy different things like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But the company onlinecasinos.com is celebrating National Binge Day by trying to give a dream job to one person. So they're only hiring one person, and of course National Binge Day is today, September 25th, so that's why the application is closing tonight. But they are looking for somebody to get to the bottom of a popular debate. They want to know what series is truly the most binge-worthy on Netflix. Is it Squid Games, Stranger Things, or is it the new Wednesday? We are looking for the ultimate TV binger to step up the challenge. It says you'll get paid $2,500 to watch Netflix, eat snacks, and chill. So how this is going to work is you'll literally get paid to watch Netflix. They're going to pay you $2,000 for scoring these TV shows, and they're going to give you $500 to cover snacks and a Netflix subscription. So if you don't have Netflix, you can still join. So you're going to have to rate the TV series out of a 1 to 10 based on the following criteria: how bingeable it is, distractibility rating, snoozability rating, take 2 rating, and the grand finale rating, just how wowed you were at the season finale. So you'll be binging and scoring 3 different TV shows. Again, those are Squid Game, Stranger Things, and Wednesdays. And the winner will need to watch every series over a period of a month. So you're going to have to watch every episode, every season of all 3 of these shows in a month. So you're going to have plenty of free time to be able to do that with. But this is kind of a great way to make some extra cash if you're already laying around watching TV. Again, because this is in celebration of National Binge Day, applications are only accepted through 11:59 p.m. at EDT for today, September 25th only. Now, if you're interested, there's a little apply to be our TV binger here, and when a pop-up will come up and there's going to be a Google form you've got to fill out with your information on it. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I just felt like throwing a little bit of something different out there to celebrate this Monday morning. If you enjoy different things like this, let me know in the comments below. Also, leave anything specific that you're looking for down there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.